How to retrieve or reset Trust Wallet account password. So if you want to basically retrieve or maybe reset your Trust Wallet account password, there are a couple of ways to actually solve it. So assuming you're using Trust Wallet on desktop or maybe your mobile, normally you can create a new wallet or you can import or recover your current wallet. So you can say import with a secret phrase. So if you go there, first of all, you have to simply make sure to enter a new password here. So make sure to enter the new password that you want to use in this case. Once done, you can just agree to the terms and conditions and click on the next option. Now, sometimes if you have happened to forgotten your recovery phrase, you can actually restore using your, let's say, Google account. So if you had backed them up on your Google Drive, then you'd be able to log in, or you'd simply be able to go ahead and then come back and connect with your Ledger account and so on. But to give you an idea, this is how you can recover your Trust Wallet password. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon as always in the next video.